Notion versus Asana, which one is the best? Notion and Asana differ primarily in that Notion is more feature rich and highly configurable, while Asana is more user friendly and more appropriate for non techies. Notion and Asana are probably going to be on your short list if you're comparing various solutions for project management and remote collaboration. Thousands of teams and individuals rely on this as some of the most well liked resources available. So, first, I'm going to show you the interface of Asana. So, since its inception in 2011, Asana has been a well respected and established project management solution. Billions of Fortune or 500 organizations like Uber, Pinterest, and Airbnb are among its clients. While Asana is more user friendly, Notion offers greater customization options. Asana is more conventional project management solution that does not require users to personalize every element of their workplace. The platform offers possibilities for creating projects, portfolios, goals, and dashboard, making it more beginner and user-friendly overall. As compared to Notion, which is what I'm showing you right now. Okay, so going back to Sana, first is you had to look for a specific template for your project, and then you can add project details. For example, this time we're going to make YouTube project, or the project name is YouTube project, and then create project. So as you can see, there are only a few options on the left panel as compared to Notion. So this is what it looks like, and it's kind of difficult to understand compared to Asana interface, right? And if you notice too, Asana project management platform prioritizes cooperation, procedures, and tasks. Its user-friendly interface allows you to assign, test, create projects, set deadlines, and monitor progress. Additionally, Asana offers tools that may help you organize your workflow, such as calendar views, custom fields, and project and other Asana templates. So it's quite easy. All you have to do is to edit and choose a view. For example, we have here list, a board, timeline, dashboard, calendar, workflow, and messages. So to change, what you're going to do is to tap the name of that specific YouTube project tasking. And same thing, if you want to assign it to someone, you can click this one or you can invite someone on your Asana project. If that person is not yet here, then you can send an invitation through adding their email address. Then after that, you can assign the person. We have also here due date, so you can send click the specific date which the person should submit this one or finish this one. Priority, you can choose high, medium, or low. And you can also change the name if you don't like to use high, medium, low, if you want to use urgent, or everything is up to you. Then we have here on the task progress, if it's not started, and progress done, and so on. Okay, so for a word view, it's quite easy because once a task is done, you can just simply move it. Okay, so that's it. It's pretty easy. Now, if you want to add something like date or people, text, number, formula, ID, time tracking, all you have to do is to click that one. For example, this field is what we call select, where you can add some options. Okay, so for example, the name is M, and then if you tap this one, then you can choose the options such as tomorrow, next week, or next month. Okay, so that's it. It's more on workflow or project management. So going back to Notion, as you can see, it's quite hard to understand at first, but I'm going to delete all of this, and this is what it looks like. It's very same, okay? Same thing with Asana, however, it's more customizable. Same thing for the board, you can just move one task to another in progress or done. And with a Notion, there are tons of properties that you can add. It is the same thing. Notion also has this assignee, due date, priority, And if you think that a property is not necessary, you can delete, you can change this. So as you can see, there are tons of properties here. Go to select, URL, checkbox, email, phone, formula, relation, roll up, and so on. You can also add connections such as Google Drive if you want. So all you have to do is to tap, then you can now add this to your project. So to add property, just click the plus icon and look for another property again. For example, if you want to add this files and media, okay, so you can paste URL here or you can add media. So for a Notion, for people and groups looking for a flexible and adaptable workstation, Notion is an excellent option. With Notion's templates like this one, and database functionalities, users may design unique solutions that are tailored to their own requirements. Okay, so you can edit, you can customize it. That's why, Notion is more customizable than Asana. Notion's powerful search feature makes it simple to locate information rapidly, and its ability to link and embed pages and databases facilitates navigation and information access. Furthermore, Notion's free plans comes with a ton of features and functionalities. So as you can see, from one page, you can add databases and functionalities. You can add table view, you can add calendar view, you can even add images here. So it's very flexible, and in one page and in one project, you can add tons of features and tasking. So that's the good thing about Notion. It's a more on, or let's just say the Notion interface can be incredibly straightforward and simple to use once you get used to it. But it can be intimidating at first. So Notion can be difficult to learn at first because there is versatility and customization choices. But it also has a wide range of applications. And also, you notice here above, you can add a cover photo for your project. You can even add emoticon or emojis you can get from your gallery, from Unsplash, or you can paste a link here. Okay, so aside from that, you can also add such as videos from YouTube. You can add videos, files. You can even add Google Map here. So there are lots of things that you can do here in Notion. And also in Asana, you can do such things there that you can do here in Notion. Same goes with Notion. You can do a lot of things here that you can't do in Asana. So both have different features. But again, if you want to create a project with more customizations and features, I highly recommend Notion for that. But if you focus on user friendly and easy to learn project management, tasking, or let's just say a project good for a few members only, then I highly recommend Asana. What I'm showing right now are the things or the features that you can do inside Notion that you can't do in Asana, such as adding more databases in one page. Okay, so by the way, let's go on to pricing. So if you go to Notion's pricing for free, these are the features that you can avail. But if you want to upgrade, then you can click upgrade and you can use more features compared to the free version. Same thing with Asana. If you go and use Asana, then you can have the select starter. Actually, you can use Asana for free, but it has limited functions and features. So the advantage of Notion is that you can use tons of features even if you are using the basic or the free version. Okay, so I really hope that this video somehow help you. These are just a few of the advantages and differences if you use Notion and if you use Asana. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.